Do you know more than 1.5 billion people in the world are trying to learn English right now?
Yes, and today you and I will speak in very simple English so that anyone, anywhere in the world can practice with us. No big grammar, no hard words, only fun conversation.
So, if you want to improve your English, stay with us till the end. You will learn real English in the most natural way. Hello, how are you?
I am fine, thank you. And you?
I am good too. What is your name?
My name is Sarah. What is your name?
My name is John. Nice to meet you, Sarah.
Nice to meet you too, John.
Where are you from?
I am from London. Where are you from?
I am from New York. Do you like London?
Yes, I like London. It is beautiful. Do you like New York?
Yes, New York is busy, but I like it.
Do you have a family?
Yes, I have a small family. I have one brother and one sister. What about you?
I have a big family, 2 brothers and 2 sisters.
That's nice. Do you live with your family?
Yes, I live with my family. Do you live with your family?
No, I live alone now.
What do you do?
I am a student. I study English. And you?
I am a teacher. I teach English.
Wow, that's great. Do you like teaching?
Yes, I like teaching very much. Do you like studying English?
Yes, I want to speak English well. What is your hobby?
I like reading books. What about you?
I like playing football. Do you like sports?
Yes, I like badminton. Do you watch movies?
Yes, I watch movies on weekends. Do you like movies?
Yes, I love comedy movies. What is your favorite food?
My favorite food is pizza. What is your favorite food?
My favorite food is biryani. Do you like biryani?
Yes, I love biryani. Do you drink tea or coffee?
I drink tea every day. Do you drink coffee?
Yes, I drink coffee in the morning. How's the weather today?
It is sunny today. Do you like sunny weather?
Yes, I like sunny weather, but I also like rain. Do you like rain?
Yes, I love rain. Do you like to travel?
Yes, I like to travel to new places. What about you?
I also love traveling. I want to visit Paris.
That's great. I want to visit Japan.
It was nice talking to you.
Yes, it was very nice. Let's talk again tomorrow.
Sure. See you tomorrow.
Okay, bye, Sarah.
Bye, John.